Lily. Hey, 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 hey. You have to sit down. You can't be an animal. Have you been a good girl? You've been a good girl. Oh. What did we say thank you to Dawn? Thank you, Dawn, for being such a good friend, for giving us all these wonderful treats. How about this? I can do all the tricks. Can you lay down? Lay down. Lay down. Is it pretty? Pretty. Thank you, Dawn. And here she is. All right. Gone in 30 seconds. Thank you, Dawn.